You can book Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation or MTDC Resorts online. The resorts are very beautiful and very affordable. To book the MTDC Resort online, search on Google MTDC Resort and then you will find here MTDC Resort online booking. Click on this one. This window comes up, and if you want to register, then you can register here for the first time, or if you want to book as a guest, then click continue as a guest. Then for the new reservation, select your property. Like I will select this one, Matheran, and date I will select check-in date, check-out date, and click on search, and it will show all the rooms available and their tariff, how many rupees for extra guests, how many maximum persons are allowed, how many extra guests are allowed, how many rooms are available, and how many rooms are required. Like if I want to book Valley View Family Suite AC room and one room I want, then I will click on add. Now no extra guest, click on proceed to book, and then it will ask you if you fall in any category that MTDC gives discount, then click OK to avail the discount or cancel to continue. MTDC offers discount for senior citizen, ex-servicemen, specially abled, NRI, central government employee, state government employee, and semi-government employee. If I'm not from any discount category, I will cancel, and then here I have to fill my name here, address, country, city, mobile number, pin code, email ID, and payment method. I can pay by credit card, debit card, or net banking, and then we can confirm the booking. After you click on confirm booking, it will take you to the payment page where you can pay the required amount online using your debit card, credit card, or net banking, depending which payment method you have chosen. In this way you will get a booking voucher, and that booking voucher you can take to the resort to avail your booking. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can let us know in the comment section below. If our videos are useful to you, like it, share it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video. We will meet you again with a new video. Till then, take care and keep watching our videos.